Welcome everyone. If you're new here, this is Food and Life with JT. If you're a return viewer, I want to say thank you for supporting this channel. Today I'll be cooking split peas, yellow split peas from the beginning through to the end. So stay with me in this video. First, I get a pack of split peas and I wash it. Meanwhile, I'm washing the split peas, the pot will be on the stove. Next up, I will strain off the water after washing and add it to the pot. Yes, you can add it either to cold water or boiling water. I normally add my peas to cold water. You can add garlic to the water. I also do that. Also add enough salt to taste depending on the amount you're cooking. Then I will cover the pot and allow it to boil for at least 45 minutes depending on how hard your split peas is. This one isn't that hard, so by 30 to 45 minutes it cooked. So after it has been cooked, I will strain off the water, then add it to a bowl, after which I have a saucepan on the stove that is heating, so I will go ahead and add some oil. As you can see, the split peas is cooked. It has been tenderized, so now I'm adding the oil. At this point, you do not need a lot of oil depending on the amount you're cooking. So discretion is necessary here, because what we're going to use the oil to do is to burn your curry and your seasoning in. So I'll add the curry into the oil, then I'll add the garlic, then I'll add the rest of seasoning such as tomatoes, onion, scallion, sweet peppers, bell peppers, whatever you add and whatever you have and whatever you like and normally season your food with, you can go ahead and use it. So I add the garlic first and allow the garlic to burn with the curry, but however, do not allow the curry to burn until it is black. It will become bitter. Just burn the curry slightly, then go ahead and add the rest of seasoning and saute. I also will be adding some diced Irish potatoes, carrots, and pumpkin and saute it along with the seasoning. If you have made it this far into the video, remember to leave a like and comment and tell me where you're watching from, and also you can also comment and tell me which dish I should try and cook next. If you're a vegan person, this is a meal idea for you to add to your list of recipes. After adding the pumpkin, the carrots, and the Irish, I will saute them very well, mix very well. Guys, look, you can see how beautiful the color is. I wish you could smell the aroma. Saute for a minute at least. Allow the season to infuse and also marinate within the vegetables, after which I will add some water. I'm gonna add the amount of water based on discretion. Remember, the chickpeas is already cooked, so you're just gonna basically season it up and simmer it and allow it to simmer. However, in this recipe, I am adding some spinners, aka some small dumplings, to my chickpeas. So what I will do, I will add enough water to cook the dumplings. But at this point, I will add salt, fresh pepper, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning, and a little body of complete seasoning to make it tasty and delicious. After adding the season, I will cover the pot and allow it to boil before I add my dumplings. Now that the water is boiling, it is time to add the dumplings to the pot. After adding the dumplings, I will stir the pot, give it a mix very well, make sure nothing is sticking at the bottom of the pot. Allow the dumplings to cook for at least 8 minutes before adding your chickpeas, because you do not want to add your chickpeas to the amount of water that is in the pot that is boiling the dumpling. It will get extra soft or just boil out to liquid. And remember, it's not dal we're cooking. When we're cooking dal, we normally make it boil, allow it to boil out to liquid form. Boil your chickpeas in coconut milk. However, now the water has been minimized in the pot, I will go ahead and add the chickpeas and allow it to simmer for at least 3 minutes or 5 minutes, depending on how soft you want your chickpeas and how much water is left in your pot. But you shouldn't have much to carry over 5 minutes. And make sure while you add the chickpeas, you continue to stir, because you do not want it to stick or burn to the bottom of the pot. So stir until you are finished cooking and turn off that stove. While stirring the pot, make sure your flame is on low to medium heat, preferably low. That way it won't stick that easily. Guys, remember in all you do, remember to do your best and have faith and be persistent. And in all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct your path. Acknowledge the Creator, and he shall direct your path. Stay blessed, and thank you for supporting this channel. It is that time, guys, so I'm going to turn off the stove and I am going to serve. I will be serving with some white rice. This is nice with fried dumpling and roti also. If you're serving with roti or fried dumpling, you don't need to add spinners.